$10 quintillion? You must be thinking, is that even a real number? Oh, it is.
The U.S. has officially run out of money to borrow unless Congress acts. Then Congress will need to have a deal in place, and that's why she's pushing lawmakers to raise or lift the country's $31.4 trillion debt ceiling to avoid a government default.
There's an asteroid out there worth more than all of Earth. And when SpaceX and NASA lock eyes on the same goal, you know it's about to get real. And guess what? This isn't even the most valuable one floating around. There's an asteroid worth triple the amount of this one. Yeah, you're going to want to stick around for this. Now, this asteroid isn't just valuable. Its value is a number most of us have never even used before. The asteroid is said to be worth $10 quintillion. If that doesn't make you gasp, I don't know what will. That's more than all the wealth on our beautiful planet combined. Yep, every billionaire's bank balance, every country's GDP, every treasure chest from history. Throw them all in one massive cosmic piggy bank, and this asteroid would still outvalue it. And it's sitting right there, waiting for someone with the guts and the tech to crack it open. Can you even fathom such fortune floating in space? When NASA decided to get up close and personal with this wealth-laden rock, guess who they teamed up with? SpaceX. It's one thing to have Mars as a milestone, but it's entirely another to consider extracting untold wealth from an asteroid. And who's about to cash in big on this? The man who literally shoots for the stars, Elon Musk. The billionaire genius, entrepreneur, and dare I say, the real-life Tony Stark without the suit, for now. When you think of Elon, the first thing that pops up? Rockets, Mars, a weird-looking cyber truck, perhaps? Well, Musk's vision has always been a massive red planet with humans walking on it. Yep, Mars. He's not looking for just a pit stop. He's aiming for a whole interplanetary civilization. And this asteroid, it might just be the golden ticket to get us there faster. Think about it. Such unimaginable wealth could propel Musk's dream to a reality in the blink of an eye. But wait, there's another layer to this cosmic onion. SpaceX isn't just another company Elon tweets about. It is the only company that has the tech and expertise to possibly extract minerals from this $10 quintillion asteroid. And he owns almost 50% of it. So he can call the shots here. Musk and SpaceX are not just looking to launch rockets. They're set on changing the game. They have the vision, the tech, the drive, and now maybe the resources from this cosmic jackpot to make history. It's not just about money or power. It's about creating a legacy that'll be remembered eons from now. So, SpaceX is about to make history, but there's something else. Another asteroid that's even richer. Beyond the jaw-dropping value of our initial asteroid, there lies another celestial gold mine that might just dwarf everything we've talked about. Davida isn't just your regular next-door asteroid. She's the Beyoncé of asteroids, sitting pretty not too far away. Davida boasts a whopping value of $27 quintillion. Let that sink in. That's 3 times more than our initial rock star. But hang on to your telescopes, we're not done yet. This entire playground, also known as the asteroid belt, hides secrets that could redefine wealth. How much, you ask? A mind-numbing 700 quintillion worth of secrets. Forget oceans. We're talking about an entire cosmos of untapped treasures. 27 quintillion, 700 quintillion, these aren't just numbers. They could be the solution to something plaguing the United States for years. This asteroid represents an out-of-this-world ATM that might have the solution to America's colossal financial troubles. Remember the 2015 U.S. Commercial Space Launch Competitiveness Act? Yep, that long-winded title is the golden ticket for companies. It's like Willy Wonka opened the gates to his chocolate factory, except this one is studded with trillions worth of treasures. Legally, any firm that gets there first could claim the asteroid's riches. And while NASA and SpaceX are already gunning for this astronomical jackpot, trust me, they're not the only players in this game. It's like the gold rush of the 1800s, but instead of miners with picks and shovels, we've got tech geniuses with rockets and AI. The cosmos has unveiled its treasure chest, and Earth is buzzing with excitement. New firms? They're popping up like mushrooms after rain, each with a glittering vision of space wealth. But this isn't just about pocketing quintillions. This is about pioneering technologies that'll not only scoop up cosmic treasures, but might also serve as the cornerstone for future interstellar voyages. Imagine having the tech to mine in space. It's not all about cash and coins. There's a lot more at stake here. Sure, we've got an asteroid that's worth more than you could ever imagine, but NASA isn't just out there for a cosmic gold rush. They've got some really cool sciencey stuff they want to dig into as well. We've always wondered, what's at the core of planets? Like, what makes them tick? This asteroid could be the key. NASA is hoping it will spill the secrets of how planets actually form. This is about getting answers to questions that have been bugging humanity for ages. So here's the plan. NASA's gonna send a spacecraft, hitching a ride on SpaceX's Falcon Heavy, and it's gonna take about 6 years to get there. Once it arrives, the spacecraft will orbit this chunk of space rock for a little over 2 years, snapping pics and running tests to see what it's really made of. So, while the scientists do their science and the billionaires dream of riches, what could all this mean for the average Joe? Now, when you first hear about quintillions worth of precious metals hitting our markets, you'd be forgiven for thinking it's all sunshine and rainbows. I mean, who wouldn't want more gold, right? But there's a twist in the tale. An influx of precious metals might not be the golden ticket we're hoping for. Flooding Earth's markets with these extraterrestrial riches might just crash the very value of these metals. Gold, once a symbol of luxury, could become as common as the gravel in your driveway. It's a simple case of supply and demand. Too much supply? Well, the prices come crashing down. But on the flip side, think of the innovation. New materials mean new technologies, new gadgets, possibly new modes of transportation, or even energy sources. The economic equilibrium might wobble a bit, but the doors it could open for technology and innovation, endless. So what's the takeaway? Yes, there's potential for a market upheaval, and some industries might have to recalibrate. But there's also a chance to redefine what value really means. It's not just about the price tag on those metals, but how we use them to push the boundaries of human ingenuity. It's a frontier of wealth and discovery that's opening up right before our eyes. It's thrilling, unpredictable, but undoubtedly a ride worth being on. So as we dream of stars, metals, and quintillions, let's also dream about the future, a future filled with possibilities that challenge the very balance of our economic scales. Before you jet off, here's something you won't want to miss. If you thought this asteroid talk was wild, wait till you hear about China's ambitious moves on the moon. Yep, you heard that right. We've dived deep into their lunar plans in our next video. So, if you're curious about how and why China's got its eyes set on our beloved moon, be sure to click and watch. Trust me, it's another roller coaster of cosmic proportions. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to go on this space journey together. See you in the next one.